Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Michelle Chanel here, and welcome back. Today we're going to be getting into some purple vibes. I've been feeling this color for a while. Definitely inspired by this dress. And so that's what we're going to be doing today. Go ahead and subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like videos like these, and hope y'all are staying safe. And let's get into another makeup look. Here we go. Okay, so of course we're using the Jaclyn Hill palette because I cannot put it down because it's beautiful and stuff like that. The shade we're gonna go in with is actually called, what was it? Lolly Mama. It's a bright pink shade, and we're gonna start by putting that up in the crease area, going up and roundward. Usually I would be taking my eyelids out here, but I've been enjoying having them right in here. Next shade we're going in with is called Therapy Sesh, right next to Lolly Mama in the palette and also on the eye. I've been feeling purple for a while. I don't know why. More so lavender, but this got darker than I thought. Everything gets darker than I thought. It's really stressful. I'm going back in with Lolly Mama because, you know, I like to make sure everything is seen but blended. Blended, but seen. All right, my next shade is called Stay True, and we are just going to keep building in that same direction. All right, we're just gonna keep building here. Next shade is Not My Journey, which is the truest purple in the palette. Very deep, very beautiful. This one, they just get further and further inward basically. So this one is basically on the lid, and then this round part I have here, I'm making sure to get it in there too. This palette, it just works so well. Like, I know I keep using it, but it's just really, you can do so many things in here. What do you want me to do? All right, so we're gonna sweep off brush bristles and excess shadow. Now we're gonna go in with our shimmers, which is exciting. The first one we're using, I'm gonna show you all, what is it, 3? Yeah, 3. So first one here is Good Place, and then we're gonna go into A Moment, and then we're gonna go all the way over here to Rider Diamonds. So taking Good Place, very deep shimmer purple, extremely deep. Where's the spray? And with every shimmer in this palette, I've discovered that spraying them is better. And so we're gonna place this in our empty space and round it up into the crease too. Our next shade, A Moment, of course, we're gonna go right on top, more toward the lid. This gives us the slightest bit more shine. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can leave it like this. But no. Now we're going into Ride or Diamonds. Ugh. And we're gonna pop this directly on the center of the mobile lid. Close to the lash line as we can get it, and then we are also going to take it up to create that hint of light right in the center of the lid. Placement of this one is important because you just want it to be that dash of diamonds, if you will, right in the center of the eye. How do you feel me? How do you feel me? Feel me? How do you feel me? All right, so our next step is gonna be wing liner. I am using the L'Oreal Paris Super Slim Liner. Looks like this, just got a fresh one on Amazon. Since my beautiful Ulta has closed and I am deathly afraid of Walmart right now, so I don't wanna go. I don't wanna go. All right, I'm gonna go add my lash, and then we'll come back and do our lower lash line. Got our lashes on, looking snatched, ready for the lower lash line. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna start with the shade Stay True, because every time I look at it, it talks to me. Taking it on smaller brush here, and y'all know the drill. We're just gonna smoke it. Okay, the next brush I'm gonna take is my lovely M432 brush, and we are going to take Not My Journey, which is that true purple, and put that right on the lash line. Going back in with the Stay True brush, and I'm going to blend once again. All right, now we're going in with mascara. I'm using my Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. This is a new tube too from Amazon. Okay, eye look is complete. We'll come back and do the lips. I'm gonna do my hair, and yeah, give me just a second. This looks bomb. All right, hair's done, took me 10 minutes. We got our purple dress on. I need to zip it up. I'm trying to be lazy and not zip it, but. I don't want to put forth full effort. Okay, now that we have our, what did I do? Hair done. We're coordinating. We're trying to coordinate here. I want to go into my waterline with this gold. Where did I put it? I want to go into my waterline with this gold liner, and this is the 24-Hour Eye Defined by, I want to say Ruby Kisses. Ruby Kisses, and I think it's just called gold. Metallic gold. It'll open the eyes up, add a very nice effect. And for the lips, we're gonna be using the NYX Lingerie. This is NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Embellishment. It's like a light lilac, lavender-ish shade. I love this. I usually wear this when I'm wearing purple. Right now we're going in with the lip. See that? Now, for dark skin, it could definitely make you look dead real quick. But see, that's why you gotta line your lips. Line your lips. All right, now I'm gonna hit my face with some highlighter. And with the ever so famous M510, gonna hit it with some of that. Not a lot though, we have enough going on here. That's good, yeah. Okay, we'll shoot some up in the brow bone. I'm thinking, what if we took some purple shimmer? I'm taking Shookington, which is this shimmer purple here, and I'm adding that on top of the highlight. And easily, it'll make it look purple. That's pretty. And I think we have our completed look. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Be sure to subscribe, thumbs up, like, all that good stuff. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. Pretty sure I'm doing well as far as consistency. I just want to give you guys something to watch to, you know, because I know I need things to watch to get away from all that's going on, because you basically see the same thing going on every day these days. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Peace.